Hello and welcome back to App Hacks. Today we're going to be learning about your Instagram's account status. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. Then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see account status. If you do not see this option, next way to visit this is simply go to help and you can see account status over here, which will lead you to the same page. Now you can see the green tick marks. So what these green tick marks mean is that your account is safe from any bans that may occur due to violation of Instagram's community guidelines. So if you go ahead and tap on remove content, you'll see that your content is not affected right now. Sometimes it may show up as you haven't posted anything that is affecting your account status. It's nothing to worry about. It just means that anything that you've posted on your Instagram or updated on your Instagram isn't harming any type of community guidelines that Instagram has set. If you have violated any type of community guidelines through your posts, then it will show up here and you will not be able to see the green tick mark, and that's how you know that your content is harming your Instagram's account status. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions still, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.